The Handyman here checking in, and today I'm going to show you guys how to replace a reversing valve. I made the video kind of quick, just to show you guys basically the fast process on doing this. Right now, as you see, I'm cutting the pipes off. It's 4 pipes, and this is a different layout. This is a Rheem layout and a Rheem reversing valve, and I will show you guys how to move everything out the way. Cut the pipes as I'm doing now. Weld it back in. Put the Freon in for the low limit switch to kick in, and test out the unit, see how everything goes. You guys check in. Alright, and right here we have the new reversing valve in. I had to do a little bit of smashing in the pipes. I'm showing right there that one's not connected still. But eventually you will have to smash these pipes back into the new one. And right there I'm showing you guys that basically just a couple screws, 1, 2, 3, 4. And basically you just move all the electric stuff out the way. And at the end of the video, I went ahead and just took out everything, including almost except the outside coil. But you move the fan out the way. You know, a lot of people like to remove everything because the reversing valve is really kind of hectic with the 4 pipes that you have to weld back in and the angles. Right here, I'm putting in the rags, wet rags. So when you run your torch, you don't want to burn anything. You don't want to burn the heat pump. You don't want to burn any wires, any electric. And then right here, I'm plugging in we're covering the plug-in part for the. Check our pressures. We got 410A unit. We're gonna go ahead and put it on 120, 125, 130. We really want to top it off with some icy. But I'll do 125. A lot of people use the temperatures, I use pressure. Digital gauges too. They're good to use, but I like to use my old school gauges. Checking for the hot air to blow out, which is on AC, and you see the defrost board is blinking 2 lights simultaneously, so that means normal operation. Then once you check outside the cool, I went ahead and switch to the heat. Make sure that the reversing valve is switching over like it's supposed to, from hot to cold, cold to hot. And as you see, I raised the temperature, and the temperature inside the unit changed from 72 to 73. So it's all good to go, okay?